Head of a jackal instead of an asshole.
Head of a
Head of a joker instead of a spokesperson. New world spinning on its evil axis. Check. Yo, turn it on,
turn it in, turn it out to television.
Program there to program you, there is no true decision. Cause every channel's Univision. It's Univision. It's their remote control of what you choose to view and listen. I'm not an activist, I just want to tax the rich. Cause half of this is greed and we don't need these savages. Chauvinist extreme and we don't need these nationalists. Typical hypocritical biblical candidates. It's fucking ventriloquists and they're feeding you lies. You're not reading between the lines, you're checking for asterisks. Massive distractions to keep your actions and actions in value transactions that paper and plastic. And it's all digital now, we're all criminals. We're all prison fools, really, we're all miserable. And all efforts for making the most capital. Stop thinkers from making the most radical. Black king, white king, still a game of chess. Left wing, right wing, it's still a game of chess. Stay in a recession while they lie that will progress. And they're staging the election so it's quiet on the set now. Lights, camera, action. Third world trilogy. First world, second world, third world killing spree. One world government, one world covered in blood. Coming soon to a theater near you. And that's the Black Earth massacre, crash and burn rapture. Drunken conductor in the passenger lacks insurance. Killing the innocent women, witnesses, scrimmages. Villages, pillages, still an innocent pilgrimage. Delinquent militant villains, still they kill intent. The mission is infinite, the kills indiscriminate. It's wars over war until it's wars over frozen food. But there was no war, you know.